How can I help you, Juan?
I have my both knees very bad pain,
Okay.
and I have an sciatic neck.
That's the number one reason you're here?
Yes.
For sciatica and knee pain. Both
Yes.
knees are hurting.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you seen anyone for this?
No.
Okay. When did the knee pain and the sciatica start?
The sciatic started 2 months ago,
Okay.
and the knees 4 or 5 years.
4 or 5 years. Have you seen anyone for the knees?
Just like I said to you, the state sense.
You had stem cells,
Yeah.
so a doctor had to do
Yeah.
that. Did the doctor take any x-rays or images of your knees before the stem cells?
Yeah.
What did they find?
They say that I don't have cartilage, and the bone is almost bone to bone.
It's almost bone to bone. Okay. And so what is the option then for the knees?
Well, I go and see another doctor, and they say they have to replace the knees,
The knee replacements. Yeah.
but I don't want it.
Okay. Now we're gonna go in further in terms of knees and the cartilage. Did you bring your knee films?
No.
Okay. What we'll need to do then today, we're gonna focus on spine. We have enough stuff to deal with your spine too. I'm gonna need to get knee x-rays for you, okay?
Okay.
So, and we do a very specific type of knee x-ray for the evaluation to see. Today, the number one thing we want to find out is what is out of balance that has predisposed your knees to become this way. Because both knees are equal or one more than the other hurts.
The left hurt more.
It started in the left or it started in the right?
They started on the right, but now the left is worse.
Okay, so, and we're gonna go in a little deeper into the traumas that happen in a little bit, okay? So it started on the right 5 years ago?
Yep.
And then how long after it started in the right, it went to the left?
1 or 2 years.
1 or 2 years. Now, what trauma did you have? What was the major fall, slip, accident, sport? Something threw your pelvis off.
The reason is I have to carry heavy stuff for a long
So
time.
you're carrying big things and bending and twisting?
Yeah. And when I can't do it, I put my...
Aha,
Yeah, but
okay. So you put that right knee into
Yeah.
it. Yeah, okay. All right. And you don't remember any time lifting stuff, there was a catch in your back or anything? I'm
Yeah.
sure there was many
Yeah,
times.
many times.
Okay.
Even when I walk, they come like that.
The knees.
Yeah.
How about the back?
No, the back no.
Anything else going on that I need to know before we start?
No.
Okay. So number one is the knees. Number two is the sciatica. When you say sciatica, you're saying, see, and this is the thing, sciatica has become a diagnosis. Sciatica is really a symptom. All sciatica tells us is, I have shooting pain going down my leg. It doesn't tell us why or how, okay? We have historically seen sciatica cases can come from anywhere. It can come from the low back, right? L1 through the sacrum, but it can also come from the neck.
Yeah.
So, but historically I'm just sharing information. When someone says sciatica today, is typically, I have shooting pain down my leg, and it's probably L4, L5, L5S1. No major falls you recall though, you're saying, besides your work.
No.
Now your work is very labor intensive. You're lifting a lot, and you're shipping, right? So you're bending and twisting and lifting.
And I have to drive too much.
And you have to drive.
Forklift.
Okay. Number one cause of low back injury is what, everybody? Number one cause of low back injury is flexion, bending, and twisting. Same thing. Bending and kicking.
Yeah.
Same thing, right? Okay. So one thing is figure out what's off, what we're gonna do. But the second thing is actually more important. We're gonna have to change lifestyle. So what are you gonna do so you don't have to keep doing this all the time? Otherwise, ¿entiendes? See? So we need to figure out some changes in the lifestyle as well. And the simple example I say is this one. You're driving to work. You hit a pothole, your car goes out of alignment. You go to the mechanic, he fixes your alignment, you go back, you drive the same road every day. We got to make some changes. Okay? And we'll talk about that as we go through. What I want to do next is, why don't we have you walk? Let's see the walk. And let's see if you got the Burbank jiggle or what. Walk it out. Oh, he got the Burbank shuffle. Okay. Yes. That thing just goes out. Keep walking, please. Popping on the left or the right?
The left.
And you still working like this?
What can I do?
Okay, keep
I have to
going.
survive.
Keep going, sir. Let's go ahead and run the meter on his back and let's see what we find. Head down, sir. Let's start at the base of the neck. Let's run the meter up. And the first thing significant here is going to be 15-point break around T6, T7. There we go. 12 points. All right. Let's see. These are old injuries also that you've had, right, sir? Mm-hmm. You've had these for quite some time. Looking at your low back disc, your original injury is over 30 years old. You know that, right?
Yeah.
It's way over 30. And this is where we're going to start down low in the sacrum. 15 points. We got about a 15-point reading here and about a 12-point reading here. Those are the two majors, okay, in the spine that I find today. Scoot forward, please. Go forward. Para al frente. Feet together. Sit up straight. Sit up a little bit straighter, sir. And with your feet touching, open your knees, close your knees. Open, yes, open and close. And we're checking general movement here now. Right side only. Right side. Derecho. See. When he does the right, left is good. Left side, sir? Okay. This whole thing wants to shift with it. Left side? Bueno. Okay? ¿Duele?
Oh,
Let's check again. Número 5. 1. S2. That's the one. S1. S2. S2?
yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 or 7? 7 or 8? 7. 7 and S2 and right pelvis. Go forward. Let's try this one more time, please. Feet together, open and close. Right side only. Left side only. That's crazy. Right side only. Okay, I'm gonna start on his sacrum. It's a little misleading what's going on here. He does have a significant amount of rotation in his pelvis, yes. He's got a lot of scar tissue. He's got a lot of arthritic changes going on in his low back, but everything is starting down at S2, S3. So I'm gonna be starting down here for him on the high-low. We're gonna do T7. We're gonna come back and recheck everything. And then we'll decide what we're gonna do for the pelvis. And then I'm gonna check your knees and your feet, okay? Let's go over here, please, on the orange table. Boca abajo, por favor. Are you ready, sir?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Face down, please. There you go. Slide up a little more, one. para el frente. Ajá, bueno. S2, respire. Sáquelo. Otra vez. Sáquelo. Otra vez. Sáquelo. Bueno, otra vez. Sáquelo. Bueno, otra vez. Sáquelo. Bueno. Otra vez. There it is. Good. Perfecto. Gotcha. Número 7. Gotcha. Respire. Un poquito más, ¿ok? Un poquito más. There you go. There it is. Chin up, please, one. There you go. Gotcha! Home run. Un momento. Respire. 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 No joke, right? No joke. Oh, man. Don't walk yet. Have a seat. Don't walk yet. We can't give away all the good stuff right away. Right? What do you think, Juan?
Good.
Different. Okay. Now, go forward. Wow. Let's recheck. Seven's clear. We're gonna have a lot of activity going on here, so let's figure out. Oh, nice. Señor. Mira. Número 5. Go back. Back. 5. Sacrum. S2. Diferente.
Yeah.
¿Qué diferente?
Less pain.
Less pain. It's pain, I know still, but a little less.
Not that before.
Okay. Go forward. Feet touching, feet together. Open and close your knees. Open and close. Ha 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 ha. Right side only. Right side. Derecho solamente. Izquierdo solamente. ¿Diferente?
Yeah.
¿Qué es diferente?
Más fácil para mover. More easier to move.
Ajá.
And less pain.
Bueno. Camina, por favor. Let's watch him walk. Dude. Dude. Keep walking. This is after S2 and T7 adjustment. Not bad. Keep walking. Again, I know the knees are popping. We're not worrying about the knee right now. We're focusing on the back. But even though the knees are popping, when you're walking, do the knees feel different right now?
Right now, yeah.
Keep walking.
More.
More movement?
Yeah.
Bueno. Good stuff, dude. Look at his face. He's like, huh? Bueno. Camina. Uno más. Okay. Siéntate. Bueno. I will work on your ankles today, okay? And the reason why I don't want to, we're not messing with the knee. We have to get the power on first.
Okay.
Your case is different. Just double checking. Bueno. Let's tune up here, the ears. Let's tune these up. Shoulders. Nice. Nice. Boca arriba. Por favor. Give him a minute, let him breathe. You see all this energy is coming out of his body, all this stuff he's been holding. See? Left side more, right side more.
Yes.
Left. Alright. His ankle, but I'm putting the red cushion underneath just so we don't get recoil of the knee. Okay? Nice. That's okay on your knee though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bueno. Why are you looking like that? What's going on? Tell me what you're feeling.
I have the pain where you put your finger.
On the ankle?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. On the left side.
Yeah.
Come over here, go on your back. Now, you get a buff and polish. So, one thing you can start doing right away, best rehab for the knee, the way Dr. Gonstead used to advise, pedaling backwards on a bicycle. You have a bicycle at home?
Yeah.
You just pedal backwards. You have an exercise or a regular bike?
Regular bike.
Okay, put it against the wall and just pedal backwards 5 to 10 minutes every morning.
Okay.
That's it. That and the walking, swimming, you're going to do very well, especially because of the knees. Get in a pool and do lots of, half an hour, 45 minutes of walking. You have a pool near you?
Yeah.
At some point, we're going to figure out a lot more stuff with you. Okay? But the number one thing right now is we got to stabilize your foundation. We need to get your knee x-rays. I need to see what's going on with it, and then we can go further from there. Okay?
Okay.
Come up slowly, my friend. Okay? I want you to walk a few times again, and I want you to tell me whatever is different now from when you started, okay? Go ahead and just walk. Bueno.
Totally different.
Totally different?
Yeah.
What is totally different?
I don't feel any pain.
Popping is there, clicking is there.
I'm not talking about the popping. Any pain in my back, in my knees, no pain at all. And I walk more easier.
Good. That's where we're going to start in terms of your back. Let's check your hands now, please, and your elbows. Squeeze, elbow, radial head. Posterior ulna. Squeeze my hand. Posterior distal radius. Posterior lunate. Good. Squeeze. Squeeze. Go like this 5 times fast. Aprieta. Aprieta, aprieto.
Aprieta.
I keep messing it up. Aprieta. Aprieta. Bueno, señor. Bienvenido.
Gracias very much.
You're very welcome.